Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the world's greatest machine operator, Mr. John. Look as he easily spins that machine around and carefully edges up to the edge of the fence. And now he is thinking about dropping the bucket. There we go. And look how he pushes into the pile, ever so carefully, not to hit the fence. Oh, he looks a little nervous. Let's get in a little closer. Oh yes, look at that concentration right there. Wow. Oh, there he's picking up the poop. There we go. Wow, amazing, huh? Drop some. Knows that I'm behind.